Hey guys, welcome back to Rochelle and thank you so much for being here. Today I'm coming to you from my studio. I have not done a video here in such a long time, hence why I'm here now. But it will only be for the intro though, because today I'm heading out to 432 Bodyworks, which is a holistic and sacred space. That's how they describe it. It's a spa that specializes in vegan, holistic type products and procedures. So I'm actually excited about that. I'm gonna get a manicure and a pedicure and we'll see what else happens, but I'm gonna take you guys on the journey. So if you're ever looking for an all natural place that does all natural techniques and use all natural products, I think we may have just found the right place. So come along with me and I'll take you guys and show you around so y'all can make a decision, okay? So let's go. Oh, and remember, for all my new followers, welcome. For my returning followers, welcome. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And then, let's go. I should be there by 1. I'm expected there at 1. Now it is 8 minutes to 1, so I'm, trying to get there quickly. But before I do that, I'm gonna grab Owen just in case I need a second pair of hands. So he's gonna come and help me out. So y'all soon see him. Look who just joined. So yeah, we're almost there now. But there's a bit of traffic on the road. I don't know where traffic come from on a Saturday, but So, but we're almost there. It's on Ardenne Road. Right now I'm on Hope Road. So soon get there. Just got here. As I told you before, I'm at 432 Bodyworks and I'm gonna be getting my pedicure, and Debisha is gonna be giving me the service and I'm like so excited. Are you excited?
Oh yes, I'm ready to serve you.
Awesome. So as I said, I'm gonna carry you guys along and so you guys get to see. Today I think we're doing what we're doing again?
We're doing waterless pedicure.
I know that this place is a holistic vegan type place, and I know you guys do, your services are a lot different from what other people use. So just tell me exactly what it is that you'll be doing today.
The foot will be soaked warm and using the product that to get off the callus and the dry cuticle, dead cuticle, but it won't be soaked to get it off in the water. So we will be getting it off in another way.
Alright. Sounds interesting. So alright, let's start.
So I'm painting the foot bottom to soften the cuticle, and this is the product that we use, and then I'll be wrapping the foot, plastic, disposable plastic one. And for it to maintain the warmth and softens the callus, I'll wrap it again in our towel.
Finally just finished and I am very happy with how it turned out, thanks to Debisha. Oh my god. Not like she did say that it was going to dry in 5 minutes, and it actually did dry in 5 minutes. I went outside just now and I didn't pick up any dirt like I usually do, so I'm very very happy about that. Thank you so much. You've been so great.
You're most welcome.
And the customer service here is just so warm and welcoming and friendly. So, you know, that made it an even better experience. You know, and in here smell good. Just saying.
Yes, the aroma is just right.
Yeah, it's actually very good. So thank you so much.
You're most welcome. It was my pleasure serving you.
Oh, thank you.
And I hope you come back again.
I just want to also thank Paulette for reaching out to me because, I mean, this was a very pleasing experience. I wanted to tell the people where they can find you.
We're at 432 Body Works and it's 11 Ardenne Road. That's Ardenne House to be specific.
That's right across from Ardenne High School.
That's right.
That's next to that plaza where Sky Dweller and Spaces is. Yeah. So it's actually pretty central. Just down the road from TGI, up the road from Devon House, round the road from Crossroads. You know what I mean?
So,
tell us what your opening hours.
We open from 9 until 6 weekdays and on Saturdays from 9 to 7. It's strictly appointment only. We personalize our services. So it's 1-on-1. We want our clients to be relaxed, comfortable and enjoy the atmosphere. Some of the services that we offer is waterless vegan manicure and pedicure, bamboo therapy, Chinese cupping, mineral hot stone, among others. So for facials, we do organic hydration facials. So our treatments are exclusive, they're natural, organic and vegan. We pamper our clients because we don't believe in chemicals because it's damage your body, seep into your pores and then you have the reaction after. So why vegan or natural organic products? It's because we cater for families. So we love our families and we love our pregnant women and we love our older folks, and you know that the pores absorb everything that you put on it. So when you stop all these chemicals on your body, it absorbs into your skin and before you know it, you're not feeling well. Why? Because of the toxic that goes inside. So we want to try to eliminate that. So we make sure that for the women that are pregnant, you can get a nice waterless pedicure. It's heavenly.
So honestly, I just got the waterless pedicure, and at first I was a bit skeptical because I'm used to doing the pedicure that you soak your foot in the tub of water. So it's like, if you do waterless, wouldn't it be dry and hard to, you know, hard to get into the cuticle? But it really wasn't. It was very easy, and I like when she put something on my foot. And it was warm and it made me feel nice. I don't know what it is, but it felt really good and heavenly. Let's stick with heavenly.
Yes. It's our 432 secret.
Alright, let's stick with heavenly.
Yes.
So yeah, I like the waterless actually. It was good.
Basically you want to sleep. The minute you enter the door, you transition into this sort of a space where like it's like home, far away from home, you're just by yourself. That's why we personalize it. Appointments only. We don't want anybody else because you will fall asleep, you're snoring. We don't want people to know that you snore. So this is where you ought to be.
That'll be me.
Yes. Yes. Especially our hydrated facial. People say the products sound as if it can't eat. And when we put them on them say, you sure this can't eat? That's how it feels, that's how it smells. It seeps into your skin. You don't have to think about you're going to get brown today and tomorrow you get darker. You just look dapper. Yeah, dapper.
Alright, so there you have it guys. This is 432 Body Works.
11 Ardenne Road.
11 Ardenne Road.
Waterless pedicure.
Waterless pedicure.
Eco-friendly.
Contact number is...
Non-toxic. Okay.
Contact number is listed down below. Their social media handles are listed down below. Email, everything. Any way you want to get in contact with them, it's all below. So check them out. And thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for being here with Rochelle and the 432 Posse. Yes guys. So again, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.